suena la frontera Bugalú.
Ay, no fue la ola que me tumbó, fue tu linda cara y tu cadera que me tiró. Ay, no fue la luna que me alumbró, fueron tus lindos ojos y tu cabello que me embrujó.
Alright guys, we're just gonna catch our bus here. We're gonna grab a bite to eat. We're gonna go inside the mall here. Got the fountain going. We're back at the mall where the bus is. We'll go for a walk inside the mall here. Welcome, welcome my friends. We are two gringos on the Gulf, and today we are in Mexico City. Catching the bus back to Jalapa. My name is Darryle with my lovely wife Jennifer and little Cece, who's shaking like a leaf. Alright guys, let's go inside and check out the mall. We're gonna go grab some breakfast here guys. I'm really getting tired of eating out though, I'll tell you. So we got about an hour before our bus comes, maybe a little better. We're just gonna go grab some breakfast here somewhere. We're gonna see if we can get into, we were gonna go to IHOP, but I'm not sure now where we're going. Skechers. I feel like I could use some new shoes, to be honest with you. I like these cars. These are nice too. Yeah, I know, but I've walked 500 miles in them already. I did a lot of walking when I was in Canada. Lots and lots of walking everywhere. Oh my God. Especially on my camping trip. Oh, there's IHOP. Well, we're gonna see if they'll allow Cece with his paperwork. Looks pretty frickin' busy. I don't know. We'll find out. It's packed in there. Oh my God, is it packed? Oh yeah, line up at that one, yeah. We'll see what they say with Cece's paperwork. Okay, they got his paperwork. They're gonna go check it out. The girl took it, give it to a boss. The boss took it to another boss. So the paperwork is making its rounds. We'll find out. It's packed in there. Hopefully they let us in, but we'll see. All right, guys, they let us in with little Cece. Oh, we'll just take a quick look at the menu here, guys. New York cheesecake. Pancake. Ah, that's weird. Té de limon. Chocolate. Oh, that's a little too chocolatey for me. So 129, 226, 129, 226 pesos. Oh, roughly around 130 to 250. Kind of the price range by the looks of it. Yeah. This kind of looks interesting. Sirloin tips and eggs. Shredded hash browns. Quick 2-egg breakfast right there with bacon, toast.
You want just regular coffee?
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna get a regular coffee today, babe. Okay, we got our breakfast coming here. We just both ordered eggs over easy with toast, your typical standard North American breakfast. We only got about an hour and a half for the bus. Yeah, not even. An hour and 15 minutes. Alright guys, we got our breakfast, so one little sausage and one piece of bacon, and you got some hash browns and some fried eggs and brown toast. Gracias. Very, very friendly staff. The waitress is wonderful. Asks us where we're from. He speaks English a little bit. Gracias. There is coffee right there, right? She left the coffee pot. We got coffee right here. Didn't even realize. Okay guys, we just finished our breakfast in here. It wasn't bad. The potatoes were cold, but other than that, it was okay. They forgot our juice, and we forgot here in Mexico a lot of times when you order toast with your breakfast, they don't butter it. So we're just gonna put little Cece on his leash here, take him for a little walk in the mall. I think we're gonna head out here actually. We got a half hour for our bus, so we got Popeyes over there. This is quite popular here in Mexico. They rent these electronic rides for the kids. How much was the breakfast, babe?
With or without tip?
With the tip.
500 pesos.
500 pesos with the tip. And you tip 20%. Roughly. Yeah.
Probably 18.
20%. All right, we're gonna venture off, guys. So IHOP 1958 in Mexico City with little Cece. Let's go get on the bus. It's like any other big mall. Pretty much exactly the same as every other mall. It's quite a big area here. They got a pedway going across up there too. Going to the other side, the big bank over there. Very busy. That IHOP was hopping, hopping, and they were doing a fabulous job. The busboy was clearing our plates away as soon as we were done, and yeah, the service was impeccable. The service was definitely impeccable. Nice apartment buildings over there. Kind of cool. Cece has a hard time over here. He doesn't like this area, Jen said, for some reason. So it's Saturday morning still. It's 11:30. Our bus comes in about probably 20 minutes or so. Now we're just gonna walk around here for a bit, try to get Cece to go pee, and then I'll add the price of the bus and everything in the description, guys, or I'll put it up above here. You can check that out. Yeah, it's a pretty big mall actually. Here's the name of it right there. Encuentro Oceania. Nice area. It's a busy area. We're kind of at the edge of the city here. So we're still right in the city, but it's at the edge and not far from the airport. You got some vendors over here set up. Looks like one guy's got a bunch of fruit, so he's selling fresh fruit. And I can't see what the other, he looks like the other guy's got fruit as well. Maybe he's selling juice. Yeah, he looks like he's got more juice. Well, he's got food there too, though. Yeah, the one guy's got food and juice, and the other guy, he's just got fruit. So, bunch of vendors over there. They got underground parking here as well. Right guys, our bus is here 20 minutes early, which is good. We can get on the bus. He's got to back in here. It's a heck of a place for him to park this thing, boy. He's got to stop traffic to back in here. Let's watch him back this big bus up. So the van comes early. They got a van over there, and then she helps with the ticketing and whatnot. Okay, let's go around to the other side. Get on. Going home. Yeah, 4-hour bus ride. 5-hour bus ride. So as you can see, it's just like any other bus that you would get on. No TVs on these buses though. The IHOP bus has TVs, but we got Wi-Fi. They got pet friendly, and it does have a charging station right there, guys. Well, that's it, my friends. Thank you so much for watching and being here with us today. God bless everybody out there. Give us a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Share our content if you would be so kind. Hasta luego. Oh, and as always, be kind to one another.